Hi, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram name before the 14 days is over. So first of all, open your Instagram. Click on the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile. And then click edit profile. Then click name. Then put whatever name you want, so I'll put just my dog's name, Happy the dog. So when you're done, just click done, and then done, and then there you have it. Your name is now changed. And there's another way, the unconventional way method of doing it. And if you're curious how I did it, or if you want to know, just watch this video. So first of all, go to your Instagram profile. Then click these three little lines on the upper right side of your screen. Then click on settings, then help, then report the problem. Then if this shows up, just click report problem without asking, or click the something isn't working. After that, you can choose either of these two, the include and continue or don't include and continue. So I'll just click don't include and continue. Then here you need to explain why you want to change your name, because if you explain the situation or whatever, the admins or the Instagram might accept your reason and they will allow you to change your name, or on the other hand, they may reject it. So just remember, I cannot say this will work 100%, so I hope this will work for you, and I believe they will come back at you before 14 days or after few days. So that's it, you're done, and I hope this video helps you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next video, and have a nice day.